How are you doing today, friends? Happy to see you back. Scientists discover the formation of Earth's sixth ocean. Far from being a mere curiosity, the East African Rift could drastically alter the geography of our planet and become the Earth's sixth ocean. In the vast deserts of Ethiopia, a remarkable phenomenon has been quietly unfolding since 2005, an extraordinary 35-mile-long crack known as the East African Rift. Far from being a mere curiosity, this rift holds the potential to drastically alter the geography of our planet, the socio-economic landscape of Africa, and even political boundaries. Remarkably, it could one day lead to the formation of Earth's sixth ocean. At the heart of this phenomenon are tectonic plates, massive sections of the Earth's crust that move atop the semi-fluid mantle beneath. These plates have shaped the planet's surface over millions of years, driving the formation and breakup of continents. What makes the East African Rift particularly significant is its scale and implications. The Somalian tectonic plate is gradually pulling away from the Nubian tectonic plate, echoing the dramatic separation of South America and Africa that began hundreds of millions of years ago. This gradual shift is well documented. A study published in Earth and Planetary Science Letters delves into the dynamics of this tectonic separation, revealing that the plates are moving apart at a rate of just a few millimeters per year. While slow, this process is undeniably transformative. A large crack, stretching several miles, made a sudden appearance recently in southwestern Kenya. This is what Africa could look like in millions of years. The implications for Africa are profound. Over time, the rift could result in the creation of a vast new ocean, flooding the Afar region and the East African Rift Valley with water from the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. Ken MacDonald, a marine geophysicist and professor emeritus at the University of California, underscores the scale of this transformation. The Gulf of Aden and the Red Sea will flood over the Afar region and into the East African Rift Valley, giving rise to a new ocean. Consequently, this part of East Africa will evolve into its own distinct continent. Beyond its geological impact, this process could reshape the socio-economic fabric of the region. For landlocked nations like Ethiopia and Uganda, the emergence of coastlines would open up unprecedented opportunities for trade and economic growth, transforming them into key players in global commerce. The creation of new ports and trade routes could drive regional development, bringing wealth and infrastructure to areas that have long faced economic challenges. This isn't just a geographic shift, it's a transformation that will profoundly alter the region's ecology. Areas that are now arid and desolate could one day teem with marine life as the new ocean forms. Human settlements will have to adapt to these changes, facing both challenges and opportunities as new coastlines develop. However, it's important to keep in mind that this transformation won't happen overnight. The complete separation of the African continent and the creation of a new ocean will likely take another 5 to 10 million years. This timeline serves as a reminder that nature operates on a scale far beyond our lifetimes. While we may not witness the final stages of this transformation, it's a powerful example of how dynamic our planet truly is. Ocean formation timeline. The Earth's oceans began forming over 4 billion years ago, shortly after the planet's formation. Water vapor released from volcanic activity condensed to form the early oceans as the planet cooled. Most of the water may have originated from comet impacts and volcanic outgassing. Oceans played a crucial role in creating a stable climate and facilitating the development of early life around 3.8 billion years ago. The world's 5 major oceans. The world's oceans play a critical role in shaping Earth's climate, biodiversity, and geological features. Covering about 71% of the Earth's surface, they are divided into 5 major oceans: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. Here's an overview of each ocean along with insights into when they formed in Earth's planetary evolution. Pacific Ocean. Size: largest and deepest ocean, covering more than 63 million square miles and with a maximum depth of about 36,000 feet in the Mariana Trench. Formation: the Pacific Ocean began forming about 750 million years ago when the supercontinent Rodinia started breaking apart. It grew as the supercontinents Pangaea and later Gondwana split. Fact: The Pacific contains more than 50% of the Earth's free water and experiences the most tectonic activity, leading to frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Atlantic Ocean. Size, second largest ocean, spanning over 41 million square miles. Formation, the Atlantic formed about 200 million years ago during the breakup of Pangaea. The rifting caused the North Atlantic Ocean to open first, followed by the South Atlantic. Fact: the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, an underwater mountain range, is a key feature that continues to expand the ocean today as tectonic plates move apart. Indian Ocean. Size, the third largest ocean, covering about 27 million square miles. Formation, the Indian Ocean began forming during the breakup of Gondwana about 180 million years ago as the African and Antarctic plates drifted apart. Fact: it's the warmest ocean, which has a significant influence on weather patterns such as monsoons and the El Niño Southern Oscillation. Southern Ocean. Size, fourth largest, encircling Antarctica and spanning around 7 million square miles. Formation, although the waters existed for hundreds of millions of years, the Southern Ocean as a distinct body was designated only in the early 2000s. Geologically, it formed as the Antarctic plates separated from South America and Australia, allowing a circumpolar current to develop. Fact: the Southern Ocean has a unique circulation pattern known as the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, which plays a key role in global heat distribution. Arctic Ocean. Size, the smallest and shallowest ocean, covering about 5.4 million square miles. Formation, the Arctic Ocean has been shaped by tectonic movements over the past 200 million years, but it reached its modern configuration relatively recently during the Pleistocene epoch, about 2.6 million years ago. Fact: it has a distinct ecosystem due to its seasonal ice cover, and the ongoing loss of sea ice due to climate change is dramatically affecting the region. Thank you. Think positive, be healthy, be happy, live long, and see you again.